So we'll look at a standard that's used in for email clients. And first, let's talk about MIME. If you've heard of MIME, multi-purpose internet mail extensions. Now, what this is, MIME is a standard that allows for your email clients to move like attachments back and forth. Because I remember when email first came out, because I'm really, really old, and it was just, you just had the basically black screen, and it was all text-based, but at the time it was really cool. And it's really evolved over years. And then instead of just moving ASCII text back and forth, we wanted to be able to move some type of binary attachments. So what's a standard for? Standards for all the vendors, whoever's going to create a product for this purpose, will follow so that there's interoperability. So that means that if your email client, the vendor of your email client, follows the MIME standard, and I'm using a different email client, my vendor follows the MIME standard, then we can exchange email, understand the format, understand the attachments. Now, MIME just builds on top of MIME, and it allows for, it's another standard that allows for the email client vendors to follow so that all the things that we've been talking about could take place. We can encrypt messages, we could do digital signatures, so that you and I don't have to use the exact same product, but as long as the vendors follow the same standard, we can encrypt and decrypt and do digital signatures. So that's what SMIME is. It's just a standard on how to do a lot of the things we've talked about today in email clients.